known mostly because cars are not allowed on the island. They use primarily donkeys and maybe horses to transport goods, pack out their trash, and to get around. So we're excited to see that. Our buddy boat, Mommy I'm Fine, is right up there ahead. So we'll be following them into port and go check out the town.
We are here in, where are we, Zach?
Hydra, with big horse butts.
Horse butts? Are those really horses or are they?
Donkeys.
Donkeys.
And I want to go to the yard. Don't go behind.
Not that close.
You might shoot.
Cadence is riding donkeys.
Do you remember? Oh, you don't have your helmet.
Alright. Yeah, they keep the street clean. This is good. What do you think, Cadence?
He sleeps up there too.
What do you think?
I think it's awesome.
Awesome. It's expensive. Whoa.
Okay.
What are their names?
Erato.
Erato?
Erato. Yota.
Yota?
Yes.
What's that? Yoda, like.
Don't touch the boot bag.
What's the boot bag?
Yeah, it's on this side.
That's Cadence. Zachary, what did you think? Tell me.
I think that was amazing. I wish I could do it again.
Yeah.
I had to lift my leg up because it was pooping.
Where are we?
I already said that in the other
Hydra.
video.
And
What's it
what
about?
is special about,
The horse ride.
and what is special about this island? They don't have what?
They don't have cars or
No, they
motorcycles.
do.
They have a few. They have a few trucks for doing the work, and you can hear the work in the background.
But not people that own cars here. So we are anchored off Ios Nikolaos Beach on the island of Hydra. And no one's here. Where are we?
I don't know.
What island are we anchored off of?
Hydra.
Hydra.
Or are the Greeks say
Hydra.
Hydra? Yep.
Big, huge thing.
Well, good morning from an anchorage off of Hydra. We're looking at Dolcos, which is a barren island here. And we had the best night here. It was calm and quiet, very well protected, no winds. So we're very rested this morning. Just super flat and calm and beautiful. Look at that water. A lot of sand and seagrass. We've been looking for sea turtles. We're gonna go adventuring ashore in a little bit. Cadence is helping get the dinghy ready.
Fish, Mom.
Lots of fish. Got a stern line tied to shore.
Mom, look at all the fish.
Yeah.
We're not driving super fast, so I don't need. Keep rowing, keep rowing, keep going, mister. Up, row, up. Keep rowing, come on.
So we are stern tied in a calm bay off Hydra Island in Greece. And the crew just took Sunny ashore to run around and exercise a bit. We have some neighbors. And it's sunset.